Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are learn maximum number and minimum number how can find. Use Python built-in function. So let's go guys, our code editor. First of all, I take two variable. Suppose I write here first variable is num1. It's give someone, suppose I write here 20. Then I take second variable num2 equals to I give her 25. Now I compare this program above. What happened? Now I want to print it maximum number. Now what I have to do? I give another value. I write here print, then I give maximum. It's built-in function max. Then I give num1 and num2. Now I run this code. It's showing me 25. Let's run this code. You can see guys, here is showing 25. Now let's take this program user input, then we'll see our output what happened. How can we take user input this same program? So I got to do, I write here integer, then input, I give here enter your first number, then I give here number 2 equals enter your second number. Now what happened here? Here mainly when user give here input first number, then second number, then it's automatically Python built-in library. It's work mainly. It's two number compare, then it print our final result. So let's run our code. I give here 30, then another number I give here 55. It's showing me 55. I give here 44. I another 20. It's showing me 44. Now its minimum number I show you. Same, just here, right here, minimum number, min. It's built-in function. Here, when I run this code, it show me. Let's some attractive to do our code. What? How can we are attractive to do our code? Here, I write here. Your maximum number is then print it, then I give her your minimum number is this code. When we are run, it's showing us your maximum number is, then it's showing us our minimum number is. Now run this code. We are give here input 5 and 3. It's compare and it's showing us your maximum number is 4 and your minimum number is 3. Now let's guys we'll see some another example. Maximum number and minimum number how can print tuple and list. Now I write here a tuple. I take some tuple. I take here tuple. Suppose I give here tuple 1, tuple 3, 5, 1, then 6, 20. Random tuple I giving here. Now I want to maximum number print in this tuple. Use Python built-in function. Now I give here print maximum number. Max mean maximum number. It's print tuple. Maximum number print tuple. Now I run this code. It show me my tuple maximum number. And if we want to attractive to our code, our max number is, and now we are print in this tuple minimum number. So print here our tuple minimum number is. I run this code showing us our tuple maximum number is 33 and our tuple minimum number is 1. Now let's write guys one list here to see maximum number and minimum number. How can we print? I take here ls list equal third bracket, then I give her 33, 40, 66, 11, 40, 443 and others. This list maximum number I want to print and minimum number I want to print. So what I have to do? I write here print, then I give maximum max, then I give here ls, here showing us in this list our maximum number is, then I want to then list print it. In this list it's showing us guys, in this list our maximum number is 66. Then I print this. I want to now I print minimum number in this list. So what I have to do? Print. I write here print, then double quotation, then give here in this list our minimum number is, minimum number is, then I give bracket, oh shit, double quotation give, then minimum number is. Now it's showing us our first of all is in this list showing us our maximum number in this list, then it's showing minimum number in this list. So first showing 66 in this list, our maximum number is 66 and minimum number is in this list 11. It's showing us. So let's run this code. It's showing us guys our in this list our maximum number is 66, 660, and in this list our minimum number is 11.